Hello guys, I hope that you are doing well. Um, Probably you have the same problem that I have been having for some time now with the Beats that I got from Apple. Um, my left, well, actually sometimes the right one as well. They're not charging very well, so they just disconnect. And when I need to use it, one of them is probably empty or it needs to be charged again. So I wanted to give you what is happening, and you can probably do this for the other Apple AirPods that I have as well. So we have these here, this terminal and the one underneath it. So they are supposed to be connected to those two. Once they are connected to them, it's gonna start charging. And I have seen some people who are trying to be creative, and they are actually creative. So the problem, if it's not charging, then they are not connected together. The points here and here, they're not connected together, and that's why it was not charging. So I decided to fix that myself by soldering, putting just some solder, make it a little bit bigger than what it is right now, to make it 100% touching the terminals here. I'll be doing that, but I saw some people who tried licking their earbuds, and it did actually work. But that's, rather than just disgusting, it's also not professional. So I am going to try to do this right now and then show you the results. All right, so it's been done right now. I added more soldering here, soldering iron, and a little bit on here. I think it should work now with no issues whatsoever. There we go. And we're done.